Alright, here we go again. This is the early race preview box for 2012 Press Pass Fanfare. We are www.NASCARcardnuts.com, and I would like you welcome to our box break. Thank you, Press Pass, for the box delivered FedEx earlier today. Here we go. Just in case you missed this, NASCARcardnuts.com. Well, the chase is set. Gordon slid in by the skin of his teeth. Kyle Busch lost. Might as well have been by his brother's ears, because he's out and all he can do is shout. However, I do wish he was in, because I think it'd be more interesting. There's 8 packs, 4 autographs, 4 memorabilia per box, and there's 11 new autographs of drivers, owners, etc. that have never had an autograph. So you know what that means for me. Lots of work. It's Bobby Labonte. I like the looks of the cards. The gold foil's sweet. Carl Edwards also didn't make it, which probably got someone in Alaska ready to melt a glacier. Sorry about that. Jeff Burton, race used autograph, 2/99. Oh, a silver die cut. Like that they're bringing that back. Power Rankings. I thought it said Power Rangers for a minute. Pack 2. As always, these cards will be given away. Unless it's something extra sweet we set aside for the Victory Junction Gang Camp. Decided to move that till December. Give everybody time. I'll be right with you. Here's a new autograph and one of the never before. Jeff Burton. I could use that. It's numbered to 2/99. Assume Big 31 fan will be after those also. Probably Vince Turn 2 Crew also, because he's a rookie card collector. As y'all remember, last year Fanfare really took off. It had a sort of lukewarm appeal when they saw the checklist, but people kept buying boxes. It's one of the most popular releases last year, if not ever. There's a Showtime insert. Sorry, I'm trying to even this out. The foils reflect off the light in the room. Here's the ever popular Danica Patrick, numbered to 99, memorabilia. Tony Stewart had some momentum going into the chase, so hopefully that'll carry over for him. And Greg Biffle leads it for now, with Junior in second. It's Fred Lorenzen, Golden Boy. Glenn Wood, the continuation of the Hall of Fame set, which they have said that they will be continuing next year, as I and a few others really think they should. I think it'll be a great set in the long run. It's a great set now, but I think it'll catch on popularity. Race used to James Buescher. His father-in-law's got a great team going. There's a die cat of Jeff Burton. Sorry if I'm making you seasick. Congratulations got to MD Clapp, Mike Clapp, who won Member of the Month. And as he said, we call him Mr. August, although I don't see any of us wanting to see him on the calendar anytime soon. Dollar General Young Guns of Darrell Wallace. Here's, speaking of leading the chase, here's the number to 75, Greg Biffle, autograph. Sam Hornish Jr., who some feel he got shafted by not getting the ride. Joey got it, but he needs all Penske's support he can get, and he was a great Indy driver, and he may yet become a great NASCAR driver. Here's a Young Gun autograph. Sorry, I'm trying to find the name on it. Gray Galding. Hopefully this will pick up. Well, hopefully after I get 11. Some of these young guns. Prospecting hasn't been a big hobby in NASCAR per se, but adding these young guns in, you never know who's going to end up being the next one. Here's a card of Benny Parsons. Riley in Alaska collects him a lot. There's Bobby Allison, leader of the Alabama gang, also a Hall of Famer. We like Jeb Burton today. It's a 3-color, number to 250, race used. The power rankings of Jimmy Johnson has got to be favored to win a 6th championship, because he's made the chase and you can't count him out. I'd like to thank my wife for making me Splitter. And here's one of Dave Blaney. Race used. Now let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 race used. Go back through them. And remember, Kevin Newton's out there looking for one that's supposed to be specifically for him. When one finds that, you know who's going to want it, as any other Josh Wise cards. I changed the camera angle today, and I think I'm going to have to go back. 4 autographs. 4 race used, technically 5 race used. One just has an autograph on it. Well, this set's really nice. One of the better looking base sets I've seen this year. I like color. Go back to this real quick. Glenn Wood, Hall of Fame, and his brother's going to probably be the next one released next year. And thank you, Press Pass. Thank you, N.U.T.S. You're doing a review contest again. You'll have to place your review after I place ours. And then all these will be given away. Nothing's being held out. 1 pack per person. Shipping to... It'll be 8 prizes. 8 prizes to win a pack of this with a guaranteed race used or autograph. Where can you beat that? You can't. But, alright. We're taking nominations for the card of the month right now with Jake. And I'll be starting nominations for the member of the month in about 10 days. So please, N.U.T.S is what you make it. We make it great. Thank y'all.